Hello and welcome to Chronically Overdressed. I'm Christine, the Glambassador. Today I'm going to show you how I make my flaxseed setting lotion. It's very simple, it's very economical, and it's just a great way to have a homemade product that you can use on your hair that's actually very healthy and helps to create a bit of shine and give it some nice strength for your wet sets. But first, I really want to say thank you so much for all of your support so far. It's coming up on a year since I started my channel, and for those of you who have monetarily supported me through buymeacoffee.com, thank you so much. It really does help me to further this channel, and it allows me to get the supplies and everything that I need to continue to make great content for you. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate all of the support, both from comments and from just kind of reaching out to me, and obviously the monetary support is incredibly needed and very, very much appreciated. So thank you so much to all of you. I love you and I very much appreciate it. To begin, you'll need a small saucepan, a glass bowl, a strainer, a funnel, and a spray bottle. You'll also need 2 teaspoons of whole flax seeds and 2 cups of filtered water. Make sure you use whole flax seeds. You don't want to use ground or milled flaxseed. You can add essential oils to this. I like to use the Scalp Nourishing Serum from Jane Cotter Solutions. It adds a little bit more nourishment to the scalp and it smells really good. Start by adding 2 cups of water to your saucepan and turn it on to about medium-high heat. And then you're going to add 2 teaspoons of whole flax seeds. You want to bring this to a boil and then let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so as the setting lotion kind of cooks for a little bit, it's about 5 to 7 minutes that you want it to boil. I thought I'd just kind of give you some information about what setting lotion is and also some of the great properties that flaxseed has for your hair. So setting lotion is a liquid hairstyling product that is applied to wet or damp hair when you're setting rollers or pin curls. It works by coating the hair and sealing the cuticle, so it helps to prevent the hair strands from drying out. It really helps to define the curls and gives you a long-lasting set. There are several commercial setting lotions out there on the market, but some of them contain chemicals and alcohol that actually dry the hair out, and that can cause breakage and frizz. I've heard people complain about setting lotions kind of leaving their hair with a crunchy feeling or very dry after repeated use. So that's why I've really started to use the flaxseed setting lotion. I've been using this now for a couple of years and I can't tell you how amazing it's been. It has transformed my hair. It leaves my hair nice and silky and gives it amazing shine. I'm a big fan of using more natural products on my hair, my skin, and my body. And making your own flaxseed setting lotion is actually really simple. It's very inexpensive. And it's just kind of a way to make sure that you're taking control of some of the ingredients that you're putting on your body. Let's talk about some of the benefits of flaxseed setting lotion. Flax seeds are incredibly high in protein, vitamin B, antioxidants, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids. which they actually can help to moisturize your scalp and hydrate and repair the hair and actually help to promote hair growth. Omega-3 fatty acids are great for moisturizing, strengthening, and protecting the hair. They improve elasticity and actually help to prevent breakage. Antioxidants maintain collagen in the body and the connective tissue of the hair follicles. So they help to repair damaged hair follicles and keep them healthy. And protein. Your hair is made out of protein. It's called keratin. The protein provides structure for your hair, giving it some shape and strength. Without protein, your hair is limp, lifeless, and weak. The protein in flax seeds helps to balance the moisture and just keep your hair really healthy and strong. So using the flaxseed setting lotion is just a great way to apply all of these benefits to your hair topically and to your scalp. And it really does give amazing hold for all of your wet sets. When your 5 to 7 minutes is up, go ahead and turn off the heat and take the saucepan off the burner and let it cool for just a few moments. The consistency should be kind of watery gel-like, and it'll have this pinkish brown hue to it. Once it's cooled for a moment, put your strainer over your bowl and just pour the liquid through the strainer and pour all of those seeds right into there. I like to make sure that this sits for a good 30 minutes or so. You don't want to pour this into a plastic spray bottle when it is this hot. So make sure that it cools down quite a bit. Once it's cooled, use a funnel and just pour it on in. This is when you can add your essential oils. I put in 2 dropperfuls of the Scalp Nourishing Serum. Secure the spray top and give it a good shake to distribute those oils. And there you have it. Homemade flaxseed setting lotion. So that's it. Super simple, easy to make. This batch will last me about a month. I can do about 4 wet sets with this batch, and I just keep it in the refrigerator. Make sure you keep it nice and cool. I try to take it out, I don't know, probably an hour or so before I'm going to wash my hair, just so it's a lot easier to spray that way when it's not so cold. But yeah, it's super simple and I hope it works for you. Let me know in the comments if you've made it, and if you have any questions. Please remember to like and subscribe. It really does help my channel grow. And if you feel so inclined, you can buy me a coffee on buymeacoffee.com/theglambassador. I'll see you soon. Bye.